Alright guys, today I have here the brand new HUAWEI Pura 80 series in the form of the Pro as well as the Ultra. You know, whenever Huawei launches their Pura series or the P series back in the day, they always bring something entirely new to the table that, you know, really pushes the technology forward whenever it comes to just innovation and all that. And this time, they've actually done it again with the Pura 80 Ultra. Now, before we go over to the table to, you know, just take a look at this in detail, it's worth highlighting that these days, you know, a lot of flagship phones, they're not doing a lot in terms of innovating new technologies for cameras on smartphones, but we are still seeing new tech on a Huawei device, and I think that's actually pretty exciting. So before we go about saying whether this phone is available for you, whether it's great for you or not, you know, let's just highlight the fact that, you know, it's always good to see new innovation happening in our smartphone space. Now with that out of the way, let's head over to the table and let's check out what these phones can really do. Let's go. Alright guys, so now that we are at the table, let's take a closer look at what the HUAWEI Pura 80 series has to offer. Now this model is the Ultra and the guy in black here is actually the Pro. But let's first take a very quick look at their designs. Now as you can see from the back, they both retain a Huawei's dazzling forward symbol. Now this is basically that triangular thing that is actually pointing forward. So that's still available here, and you know, once you take a look at these devices, you'll know right away that this is a Huawei phone. Now this is actually called the Prestige Gold, and you can see it's actually pretty standing out because it's so shining. Now it does capture quite a fair bit of fingerprints at the back here, but you know, we do have a glazed back panel, so it's actually very beautiful. And if you just take a closer look, you know, at this detail over here, there's sort of like a sunburst pattern going on that just exudes out from the camera panel. So it's actually very interesting to see that on the 80 Ultra. Now the one on the black here, this is called just black, you know, but it also has this glazed black panel. It comes in these really deep blacks, and personally I think, you know, the black is definitely my favorite color. It's completely blacked out throughout the entire thing, and you know, just look at it, it's really pretty cool. Alright, so let's move on to the main star of the show, which I was mentioning earlier on in the video, and that's basically about the party trick here that's available on the Ultra. Now if I tilt the lens slightly like this, you'll be able to see like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what's going on here is there's actually one single sensor that uses a mechanical shutter to switch between two optical paths. So yep, you heard that right, one sensor but two distances. So you have a 3.7 times as well as a 9.4 times. Now it's actually the largest telephoto sensor on any smartphone to date, coming in at 1/1.28 inches. And you might be wondering, what's the whole point of doing this? Now the answer for that is actually pretty simple. On most phones, everyone uses two separate sensors, and the sensor sizes, you know, obviously are not identical, so they come in with inconsistent light intake, which results in inconsistent image quality. However, by using a switchable, you know, dual telephoto system, both lenses can enjoy the same quality of their large sensor, and you're going to be getting more consistent lighting, stronger clarity, and it's going to be great for just zooming in during the day. As you can see from this very quick clip, I was doing a test at the KLCC towers, and notice when I was just zooming in all the way to the top, you can actually see a very consistent light intake, you can see a very consistent white balance, and everything just looks very smooth as it zooms all the way to the top. Now it's not just great for taking zooms during the day, you know, it's also great for taking zooms at night, because this way you can actually capture even brighter, clearer night images. So I actually again did a quick test. I went out, you know, early in the morning, and I did a side-by-side between another flagship phone when it comes to videos, and you can clearly see the difference here. You know, with that large sensor and zooming in from more than 5 times, you can see that the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra was actually able to capture in an image that's very sharp, very clear, and it's just night and day comparing it to the other flagship, which I will not mention what brand is it. Now I also noticed one more cool thing, and that is if you can actually get a very nice depth of field, or you know, bokeh in other words, with these telephoto lenses. So it's actually pretty cool in terms of what Huawei is doing at the back here, because it actually works. Now moving on, let's talk a bit about the main sensor. Now like before, we also have a 1-inch sensor on board, but this time it's called the Ultra Lighting HDR sensor, and that's because the sensor itself can go all the way up to 16 EVs of dynamic range. Now just to give you some context, normal phones typically range from between 10 to 12 EVs, flagship phones maxes out at 14 EV with HDR, and Pro cameras usually get 16 to 17 EVs. So what's so good about having an ultra high EV dynamic range on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra? Well, basically, it's going to give you even better detail in bright and dark areas. You won't get blown out skies, you won't have pitch black shadows, especially if you're shooting against a very strong light source like the sun. You're also going to be getting cleaner low light shots, lesser noise in dark areas, more natural HDR videos, less reliance on AI gimmicks. And you can see through all these photos, it's doing a fantastic job with that 1-inch sensor. The colors just look very natural, and again, you have the option of going with the natural colors, more vivid, or sort of like a stylized kind of look, and even monotone, which I like very much on the Pura 80 Ultra as well. Now, it's not just the Ultra that has that 1-inch sensor. What's cool is that the Pro model now also comes with that 1-inch main sensor. Now, with Ultra Chroma, you can get to enjoy the same great awesome quality both at night and day. The telephoto lens on here is a little bit different. It uses a 48 megapixel 4x optical zoom telephoto lens. So with the ultra lighting macro telephoto, you can zoom all the way up to 100 times, and it can also do up to 5 centimeters of close focus. So you can just see a couple of these shots here. These were all taken unedited on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Now, in terms of the AI experience, HUAWEI is actually introducing a couple of AI features onto their Pura 80 series. So it comes with the AI best expression, the AI add gesture, and if you want to use any additional AI features, you can actually download your Google Gemini and use it on your HUAWEI Pura 80 series. Now, moving on, a couple more things that we need to take note of here is in terms of the durability. This time around, HUAWEI has made their screens even more stronger than before. So for example, on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, it gets the 2nd gen crystal armor Kunlun glass, and that's actually 25 times tougher and 16 times more scratch resistant. Whereas on the Pro model, it also gets the 2nd gen Kunlun glass, and it's actually 20 times tougher than standard glass. Now, last but not least, of course, in terms of your app gallery, yep, here in Malaysia specifically, you can actually download all your favorite applications as well as your Google apps. It's very easy to install all your apps into your phone. I have a separate video up very soon, and you can check out the entire step-by-step process. But essentially, you can download all your favorite apps onto the HUAWEI Pura 80 series. Alright guys, so at the end of the day, today's video is really about exploring how HUAWEI is actually pushing forward technologies on their smartphones, especially in the camera department. And you can see based on the samples that I showed you earlier on that this is actually something that works and not just a gimmick. It's very good to see this kind of innovation still going on, and if you guys are actually interested in getting yourself one of these HUAWEI Pura 80 series, it's going to be launching really soon here in Malaysia. Check out the links down below for more details. But yeah, again, thanks for watching today's video all the way to the end. Let me know what you think about the brand new camera system on the HUAWEI Pura 80 series, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.